Have you ever wondered how to make an authentic, flavorful parota with chicken right in your own kitchen? Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of this classic dish, revealing how simple it can be to create restaurant-quality flavors at home. To begin, gather all the ingredients. For the parota, you'll need all-purpose flour, salt, ghee, and water. For the chicken filling, you'll need boneless chicken, onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and fresh coriander leaves. Start by preparing the dough for the parota. Combine the flour, salt, and ghee in a large bowl. Gradually add water, kneading until you have a smooth, elastic dough. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. While the dough rests, start on the chicken filling. Heat oil in a pan and add the chopped onions, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste. Sauté until the onions turn translucent. Now add the chicken pieces to the pan. Sprinkle in the turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and some salt. Mix well, ensuring the chicken is well coated with the spices. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook on a medium flame until it's tender and the flavors are well absorbed. After about 20 minutes, uncover the pan and stir in some chopped coriander leaves. Your aromatic chicken filling is ready. Set it aside and turn your attention back to the dough. Divide the rested dough into equal portions and roll each into a thin, round parota. Heat a griddle and cook each side of the parota until it's golden brown, brushing a little ghee on each side for that extra flavor and crispness. Now it's time to assemble. Place a generous portion of the chicken filling on one half of the parota. Fold the other half over, tucking in the edges to create a half-moon shape. Repeat with the remaining parotas and chicken filling, and there you have it, a stack of hot, crispy parotas filled with juicy, flavorful chicken, the perfect blend of spices, the subtle crunch of the parota, and the tenderness of the chicken combine to create a dish that's truly irresistible. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. So don't hesitate to tweak the spices according to your taste or add in some of your favorite ingredients. After all, the best dishes are those that are made with love and passion. Enjoy your cooking.